স্পোকেন ইংলিশ। আমি দেরিতে আসব। I am coming late. I am coming late. তোমার বাড়ি কেমন আছে? How is your house? How is your house? সে আমাকে সাহায্য করলো। He helped me. He helped me. আমাকে তার সাথে দেখা করতে হবে। I have to meet him or her. I have to meet him or I have to meet her. আপনি আমাকে সাহায্য করেছেন। You helped me. You helped me. সে অনেক খুশি হয়ে গেছে। He became very happy. He became very happy. আমাকে এটা নিতে হবে। I have to take this. I have to take this. এই কাজটা অসম্পূর্ণ। This work is incomplete. This work is incomplete. আপনার ভয়েস আমি পছন্দ করি। I like your voice. I like your voice. আমাকে একটু সময় দিন। Give me some time. Give me some time. ও এখনো ঘুমিয়ে আছে। He is still sleeping. He is still sleeping. আমার বোন প্রতিদিন খুশি থাকে। My sister is happy every day. My sister is happy every day. ও আমার সঙ্গে কথা বলে না। He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't talk to me. আমার এটা খুবই পছন্দের। I like this very much. I like this very much. ওর কাছে অনেক সময় আছে। He has a lot of time. He has a lot of time. Thank you.